Drive the vehicle to the designated position. Raise the vehicle to a certain height using a 2-post lift. Move the detection equipment to the front wheel position, and move the rear wheel safety fixing bracket to the rear wheel. Position the lift arms approximately 100 mm away from the vehicle chassis. Place the vehicle wheels onto the V-shaped tray. Adjust all adjustable feet to raise casters about 10 mm off ground, then lock in place. Power on. Switch on the power switch. The power indicator on the console will light up. Press the motor start button. The motor start indicator will light up. Adjust the operating frequency. Clockwise rotation increases speed, counterclockwise rotation decreases speed. The system will automatically move up and down in a reciprocating motion. Press the motor stop button to halt the system. After confirming that the motor has stopped working, disconnect the power. At this point, all indicators on the console should be turned off.
Together towards success.